In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to another email in Outlook. We'll start with forwarding a single message, then set up automatic forwarding so new emails go where you need them. I'll explain what each option does so you can choose the right one for your situation. First, open Outlook. This can be the desktop app or Outlook on the web. The layout may look slightly different, but the process is essentially the same. In your message list, select the email you want to forward. You don't need to open it fully, just highlight it so Outlook knows which message you're working with. Next, look for the three dots, sometimes labeled More Options. Click that to reveal additional actions. Choose Forward if you want to send the contents of the original message directly in your new email. If you prefer to preserve the original message exactly as it was received, including its headers, choose Forward as Attachment. This is useful when you're reporting an issue or need to keep the original intact for context. A new email window will open. Type your message to give context, then enter the recipient's address in the To field. Keep an eye on spelling here. An incorrect address can bounce or send to the wrong person. If you used Forward, the original content appears below your note. If you use Forward as Attachment, you'll see the original email attached as a file. When you're ready, click Send. That's all you need to quickly share a single email. Now let's set up automatic forwarding so new messages go to another inbox without manual effort. Click the Settings gear icon at the top right in Outlook. In the Settings pane, go to Mail, then Forwarding. Turn on Enable Forwarding, and enter the email address you want messages to go to. Choose whether to keep a copy of forwarded messages in your inbox. Keeping a copy is helpful if you want a record in both places, but remember it can use storage and may require occasional cleanup. When everything looks good, click Save. From now on, new messages will automatically forward to the address you entered. If you don't see the forwarding option, your organization may have restricted it, and you may need to check with your admin. That's it, thanks for watching.